You are wondering if the BocaBella whitening trays actually whiten your teeth, and so I'm going to show you my results. I actually did a different video just kind of explaining how to apply them and use them and best practices and things like this, but these are my results. So I'm going to show you down here that I use these for 10 days straight. And when I did my first video, I used the shading guide here, and I really had thought that I was the closest to this one, but as you can see, my teeth are whiter. So this is the darker side, this is the lighter side. I was here, and now I think I'm more like here, maybe here. Yeah, so that's an improvement of at least 3 shades on this. So I think that went really well. And I will tell you also, just because life gets in the way, I did not use these for 10 days straight in a row. I did skip a couple of days just because of things, things that happen in life. So I think if I would have been able to use them 10 days in a row, probably my results would be even better. So I am excited about these. I'm going to get these again. They did a really great job getting me from about here to about here. Thanks. I will link below my first video about these trays and also a link to the trays so that you can get them for yourselves. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more product reviews of cool products like this, please hit subscribe so you don't miss a thing.